If your League of Legends game is stuck on getting ready just like so, and it is stuck on the Riot client. Now this tutorial will guide you on how to resolve this problem. Make sure to follow the instructions very carefully. Now try to repair your game through the Riot client settings. So open the Riot client just like so. Click on the profile here at the top right corner, then go to settings. On the settings page, show the game that you're having issues. Now if it's League of Legends, just select here League of Legends, and then you'll see an option which is repair. So click on repair. That will ask you, this will perform a scan on your game installation to repair missing or corrupted files. So select start repair. Wait for the repairing files to finish. After the repairing has been finished, it will write here your game files have been successfully repaired. Just click OK. And then also click OK. Come here on the system tray. Come on the system tray, look for the Riot Client icon, right click on it and then select exit Riot Client. Now this will close the Riot Client. Now also close the Riot Client, just come here, look for the Riot Client icon, right click on it and then select run as administrator. Click yes to allow the app to make changes and wait for the Riot Client to open. After it has opened, try to check if the issue has been resolved. Now if you're still experiencing the same issue where it is stuck on getting ready, I'll try the next step. Just log out of your account on the Riot Client. So logging out of your account on the Riot Client, then go into the RiotClientElectron folder and open it. So first, try log out of your Riot Client account. To log out, open the Riot Client, select on your profile here, and then select sign out. Now this will sign out from your account on the Riot Games. Once you have been signed out, you can close this Riot Client just like so. Now also close it. Also make sure it's not found here on the system tray. You can right click on it and then select exit Riot Client. Now what you need to do, go to this directory here which is C Riot Games, Riot Client, and then RiotClientElectron. You can copy it. All the information will be available in the description of this video. Now also copy it, press Windows plus E and paste it on the top here. Or you can navigate yourself if you can, and then click enter. It will take you inside the RiotClientElectron folder. Now inside you will see this Riot Client. Now what you need to do, just now run the Riot Client application found inside the RiotClientElectron. So you'll see this Riot Client application. You just need to run this application. Now right click on it and then select run as administrator. Click yes to allow the app to make changes and then wait for the Riot Client to open. Now this will open the Riot Client application. Now once it opens, make sure to log in into your account. If you do have the username and password, I just use a login through Google, so I'll click on it to take me to the browser, and then I'll select my account from this section, and then click open. Also click open, it will sign you into the Riot Client, and then you can try to check if the problem has been resolved either by updating or play the game, and you'll find that the issue can be resolved. So make sure to follow these instructions very carefully and let me know in the comment section if it has helped you, and see you next time.